The good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 18 from verse 9 to verse 14. The Pharisee and the tax collector. Jesus tell a story to the one them where feel said them are the right and I look down for everybody else. Two men go up a God house to go pray. One of them I did one Pharisee and the other one I did one tax collector. The Pharisee turn up and pray about himself. Say, God, me thank you that me not turn like other people with thief, broke the law, sleep with people they not married to, or even like a tax collector. Yeah. Me fast 2 times for the week and everything when me get, me share it up in at 10 and give you 1. But the tax collector turn far. Him wouldn't even look up at heaven. Him beat him chest and he say, God, take pity upon me, one sinner. Me I tell you no, that man ya, not the Pharisee but the tax collector. Him go him yard and everything right between him and God. Anybody will put themselves over other people are going to get put on. And them will humble themselves, we get lift up. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God